When we talk about the damage that was done to the barge and the boat landing, it is force, the force of the water, the force of the wind. But there are also other projects. For example, there is here this 19th century French stool or bench. It's one of a set of 4. They are located in the entrance hall. It was damaged because a visitor happened to sit down on it. But even without somebody sitting on it, the bench already was quite fragile.
The leg had termite damage that had been repaired previously and made this particular point in the leg weak. What we'll need to do is to reattach the leg, and we'll do this using conservation grade materials. The tenets of conservation is that all the repairs have to be reversible, so that in the future, when we find out that there are different materials or different things that need to be done, the repairs can be reversed and there's no damage to the original material.
Help preserve Vizcaya and its collection. Donate to Vizcaya's Conservation Fund online at vizcaya.org/donate.